Hello everyone. Our today's topic is Dynamics 365 Sales Mobile App Offline Access. You can see that we are using Sales App application on our laptop or desktop in browser, and we want to access same information on our mobile app. Let me share my mobile screen with you. We are installing Dynamics 365 Sales mobile application. Let's open the application, sign in. As there are no apps currently, please choose show non-production apps. Choose sales hub application for sales trial. Currently this app is in online mode. There is no offline access option. So we have to configure a mobile app for offline access. Let's do that setup now. Go to settings, find for mobile, configuration. You can create your own mobile offline profile or you can use the existing sample one. For demo purpose, I am using sample sales scenario. So what is basically mobile offline profile? Mobile offline profile represent dataset that sync on user device. Profile contains tables including filters that are applied when data is synced to user device. We can see that many tables are here. If you want to bring some table over here, you have to make sure table have mobile offline access enabled. Go to table, click on properties. This option can be taken offline. We also have to define which apps can use this mobile offline profile. App using this profile. Click on Sales Hub. Open in App Designer. Switch to Classic. Click on Properties. Enable Mobile Profile. Sample sales scenario. Save and publish. Refresh. Now sales application can use this mobile offline profile. Apart from app, we also define which user can use this offline functionality. Now we have app and we have user. Publish profile. Since we have configured mobile offline access, giving us option to download data, we can download now and we can skip for now. But if you want to use the offline access, please download data. Data being downloaded as per the mobile offline filters. So data is downloaded to your device, but you still on internet. So it is your choice to remain online or go offline. So why we will go offline? When you have unstable internet, you have option to go to offline mode. As long as offline mode is turned on, the updates that you make on device are not synced with the server. You can continue working with the local data on your device. To push changes back to server, refresh local data by turning off the work in offline mode toggle from here. So please notice that we have unstable internet connection and we want to intentionally work in offline mode. Let's create a new account. So this account is in local store but is not synced to server. Please notice that one row to upload. If I disable this option, I can upload data. Now you can see that it is connected to network. Let me go back to offline again. Let me make changes to this record. Since I am offline on mobile, I can't see these changes. But once I come back to online mode, I can see new data itself. Checking for updates automatically. We just covered if you don't have stable internet connection, you can go offline yourself manually. Please notice that when you have no internet connection, you automatically have access to download data so you can continue working while you are on the go. Data automatically sync with the server as soon as we get connectivity again. There are few limitations on action that we can perform when we are on offline mode. Please refer Microsoft documentation for that purpose, for which I have shared link in description. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I will be happy to solve your queries further. Please mention in comment box or refer my website which I have given in description. Please subscribe to my channel to see such demonstrations. Thank you.